in our child's resting pose. Walk the hands over to the right. Reach with the left fingers. Feel the stretch all the way along the left side of the body. Walk back through center and off to the other side. Reach through the right fingers. Right side body stretch. Back through center. Drag the hands in as we round through the spine. Into a seated position. Plant the hands. Tuck the toes. And come to standing at the back of the mat. We're in a forward fold. Shake the head. Let the neck go. Legs can still be in that generous bend. Plant the hands in front of you. Lower down like we're coming into a tabletop, but leave the knees hovering. Move the right hand, left foot forward. Left hand, right foot, all the way to the top of the mat, and then move back. So opposite hand, opposite foot.